Hello, NCC dual enrollment student. My name is Molly Clark, and I'm one of our College Connections specialists here at NCC. I'm going to show you how to find our program maps, which are really helpful tools as you decide which courses to take at NCC. After helping you find them on our website, I'll explain them a little bit. We're going to start at the main page of Northampton, which is www.northampton.edu. We're going to hover over academics and then click on areas of study. We're going to scroll down until we see Search All Programs and click on that. This takes you to where we have a list of all of our programs and majors that we have here at NCC. Please click on the one that you are interested in. I'm going to use computer science as an example. This is going to take us to more information about our program, computer science. If you'd like to find the program map, you're going to click on the name of the degree program and then click on Download PDF. Once you have that downloaded, you're going to see a similar image to what I have on my screen. I'd like to explain how the program map works. Look at the top here where we see this blue star. These are our developmental education courses. And what that means is, depending on what you've taken in high school, you may or may not need to take one of these courses. If you have a 3.0 or higher cumulative GPA, you will not need to worry about taking developmental English courses. You are considered English 1 ready. We do math a little bit differently. We look at the highest level math that you've taken in high school, your final grade in that course, and then it's determined which level math you're eligible for at NCC. If it is determined that you need a developmental math course, we always encourage students to take the math placement test as well to see if you can place out of them. If we look over here to the right at the orange star, you're going to see that there are some courses that have a prerequisite or a co-requisite. A prerequisite means that you have to have accomplished something prior to being eligible to take that course. For example, English 1 is that 3.0 or higher high school cumulative GPA. If you have that, then you've met the prereq. If we move down right below that, we can see that our Math 180 calculus course also has a prereq. So there are certain courses that you need to have taken here at NCC before taking our calculus course. If you are a dual enrollment student attempting to take calculus, we will look at your highest level math that you've completed in high school and your final grade in that course to determine if you've met the prereq. Another area that I'd like to explain a little bit further is general education courses. You can see over here by the yellow star that some of these courses are general education courses. What that means is these courses are required for most programs and majors at most colleges. These are great courses for our dual enrollment students to take because you may not be sure which college you're going to or which program you plan to study. I'd also like to explain that there are certain electives available on this program map and on most program maps. If you see in this first column, it says SIT General Education Elective. If we scroll down to page 2, you'll see that we have a list of electives identified as SIT. And what that means is you can choose any one of these courses to count as that elective. Now, as a dual enrollment student, we always recommend start with your general education courses. If you need to, take the English or math placement test to try to place out of your developmental courses, if that's what you would be required to take. And also always look at your prereqs and make sure that you're meeting them. If you have any questions or concerns, please always remember to attend one of our virtual or in person at your high school registration sessions. We'll be happy to sit with you and go over this a little bit more. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.